In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use payment links in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll be set up to accept payments fast without sending a full invoice. Once you're in your QuickBooks Online company, start by locating the search field at the top. Type payment links to quickly find the feature. When it appears in the results, click payment links to open the setup flow. On the welcome screen, select Get Started. This begins the activation for QuickBooks payments so you can create and share secure links customers can pay through. You'll first be asked to review your business information. Make sure the legal business name, address, and other detail match your official records and banking documents. Consistency helps avoid delays in verification and deposits. If something looks off, correct it now so your setup goes smoothly. When everything looks good, choose Save and Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter personal information for verification. Provide your legal name exactly as it appears on government-issued identification. Add a reliable contact number you actively use, since you may receive security notifications related to payments. Enter your current physical address, making sure it's formatted correctly and matches your records. For identity verification, you'll be asked for the last 4 digits of your taxpayer identification. This is a standard compliance step used to protect your account and prevent fraud. Double-check each field before moving on to reduce the chance of follow-up requests. When you're done, click Save and Continue. Finally, add the bank account where you want your customer payments to be deposited. You can link an existing account in QuickBooks or add a new one. If you're entering routing and account details manually, verify each number carefully to ensure funds land in the correct operating account. Some banks may require a quick sign-in to confirm access, or you may see small test deposits used for verification. Follow the on-screen guidance if prompted. Once your deposit account is set, confirm and save. That's the core setup. You found payment links, started the activation, reviewed your details, completed verification, and connected your deposit account. From here, your QuickBooks Online company is ready to generate secure payment links you can share by email, message, or however you communicate with customers, so they can pay instantly online. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your business profile and bank details up to date to prevent interruptions, and review your payment settings periodically to ensure the right deposit account is selected. With that, you're ready to streamline getting paid with payment links in QuickBooks Online.